country, galvanizing its potential competitiveness. Leveraging its demographic dividend and capabilities, Make in India is developing at an impeccable speed. Yet, there's so much more we could do. And XIME is extremely privileged to provide that necessary thrust to this initiative by hosting a national seminar on Make in India, making it work with the representatives of the government at a policy-making level and a large spectrum of business leaders and academicians converging together to make a difference. Now, let's all make it.
The Prime Minister's ambitious target of reaching a 5 trillion economy will actually be aided by the Make in India program. It is a wake-up call for all the business leaders in India and an invitation to potential partners and stakeholders around the world. But I guess Make in India is much more than an inspiring slogan. It is a comprehensive overhaul of the existing redundant government policies and processes. And also it is a complete change in the government mindset from an authority to a business partner, much more like minimum government and maximum governance. So hence, I welcome you all to XIME Bangalore to the Make in India conference in 2020. Welcome you all and come, let's all make it a success.
In order to start a movement, I think the major thing that we focus on is strategy. Strategy which inspires you, enables you, and gives you the power in equal measures. So this Make in India strategy is quite different. It doesn't totally depend only on statistics or advertisement or mass media, but messaging. Messaging which is informative and most importantly, more credible. The government is more focused towards giving us high quality land, infrastructure, smart city projects and many more. They are more focused towards collaborating with our major top 5 countries, which are the US, the Japan, the Americans, the Germany, France, etc. Right? Where they're giving you a platform which enables you and gives you the opportunity to listen to various pioneers coming all over from industries, the politics and the academia. So we welcome you all to XIME National Conference, XIME